Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Hugo Copilot to understand complex conversations, investigate customer requests, draft replies, and also prepare handovers directly from the crisp inbox. Let's go inside the app. So Hugo Copilot is an internal AI assistant built for support operators. Unlike Hugo AI Agent, it doesn't answer customers automatically. It helps you while you work inside the conversation and you always stay in control of the final message. And Copilot can use more than your public knowledge base. It can also use the current conversation, previous replies, private notes, customer information, attached files, and other data available in your workspace. Also, for your information, the messages generated by Copilot use your workspace's AI credits, and Copilot uses the same AI model configured for your Hugo AI agent. At the end, the main difference is very simple. Hugo AI agent handles conversation for you, while Copilot helps you handle them yourself. Now let's see how to use Copilot. So to open it, go to your inbox and open a conversation. From the message editor, click Copilot. The panel opens next to the conversation, so you can keep the customer request, conversation history, and customer information are visible while asking for help. You can also expand the panel when you need more space. And now let's start with the first thing you usually need to do when opening a conversation. Understand what happened. Crisp already provides a quick conversation summary directly above the message editor. You just have to click View Summary to get a fast overview of what happened in the conversation. This is very useful when you are joining a long thread and only need a quick recap before replying. But when you need something more specific, use the Summary command inside Copilot. For example, you can ask Summary, list what has already been checked. Or Summary, show the topics that still need an answer. Or also Summary, explain what the next agent should check. So the difference is super simple. The View Summary button gives you an immediate general recap, while the Summary command lets you decide exactly what the summary should focus on. Once you understand the conversation, you can use Copilot to investigate the request before replying. You can ask questions in natural language, for example, what is the customer actually asking for? What information is missing before I can answer? Has another teammate already checked this issue? Which source supports the answer? Or what should I investigate next? This is especially useful when the conversation includes several replies, internal notes, technical details, or multiple people working on the same case. Copilot can connect the information available in the thread and help you identify the next step. For example, in a technical conversation, you could ask, list everything that has already been tested and then suggest what we should check next. For a billing request, you could ask, find the missing information I need before answering this customer. For a complaint, you should ask, summarize the main issue and identify the points we still need to address. The goal is not only to generate text. Copilot can first help you understand the case and make a better decision. Once you know what to answer, use draft command to prepare a response. You can use draft on its own or add instructions. For example, draft, answer in a concise and friendly tone. Or for a technical issue, draft, ask the customer for reproduction steps and a screenshot. For a billing request, you can type draft, ask for the invoice number and account email. For an unhappy customer, draft, acknowledge the frustration and clearly explain the next steps. And another example for a refund request, draft, explain our refund policy and ask for the required information. Copilot generates a reply using the current conversation and the context available. Then you can ask it to shorten the answer, make it more empathetic, change the tone, clarify the next steps, or remove unnecessary details. When the draft is ready, click Add to Composer. Then the answer is added to the message editor where you can review, edit, and send it manually. And you have to know that Copilot never sends the message automatically. You can also use Copilot when a conversation needs to be transferred to another teammate. For that, use the handover command to generate an internal brief. For example, before escalating a technical issue, you can ask handover, summarize the issue for the engineering team. You could also ask handover, list what has already been checked, or handover, explain what the next teammate should do next. Another useful case is for a shift change. You could ask handover, summarize the conversation for the team taking over tomorrow. Or for a complex customer escalation, you could ask handover, include the customer request, what we already tried, and what is still pending. Copilot can include what the customer asked, what has already been done, what information is missing, what the next teammate should check, and what action should happen next. Once the handover looks good, add it as a private note. The note stays internal and is not visible to the customer. Right now, let's see how to control what Copilot uses. By default, Copilot uses the current conversation context. If the customer sends a message or if customer information changes, open the Copilot settings and click Reload. This refreshes the context Copilot uses before generating the next answer. You can also disable the conversation context. This is useful when you want to ask a general question that should not be influenced by the current customer case. For example, imagine the conversation is about a billing issue, but you want to ask, how should our team structure a refund escalation process? In that case, disable the conversation context first, and this prevents Copilot from mixing the current customer request with your general question. It can also be useful when the conversation contains irrelevant or sensitive information that should not be used for the next prompt. When important information is missing from the conversation, click Add File, and you can provide Copilot with extra context such as a screenshot, an invoice, a PDF, technical logs, or internal document. For example, you could attach an error screenshot and ask, explain the most likely cause of this issue and suggest the next troubleshooting step. Or add an invoice and ask, summarize the billing details I should verify before replying. Adding the right context usually leads to a more useful answer. Let me now show you another cool thing about Copilot. Copilot is also designed to stay available while you move between conversations. If you open another conversation, Copilot creates a separate thread for that case. So you can use the thread selector at the top of the panel to move between Copilot threads. From here you can return to a previous Copilot thread, reopen the related conversation, see when a response is still generating, or spot unread Copilot messages. This is super useful when you are handling several conversations at the same time and don't want to lose your work. For now, the Copilot threads are stored locally, so refreshing the page or leaving the inbox may reset them. One last thing, before using an answer, you can review the sources and tools Copilot relied on. This helps you understand where the information comes from and verify whether the answer is trustworthy. So before sending a Copilot-assisted reply, you can check if the sources are relevant, the answer matches the customer's situation, important details are missing, the tone is appropriate, or the response needs editing. This is especially important for complex technical billing or sensitive requests. To recap, use Hugo Copilot to understand long conversations, investigate complex requests, draft customer replies, and prepare clear handovers for your teammates. You can find more resources about Hugo Copilot in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.